By the way, if you see me flicking things, that's me getting bees off of myself or off of my hive tool. My wife came back out. She's wearing a protective hood, which is good, because bees like to sting you in the face because they're dicks like that. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Oh, yeah. And let's see here. Is that a queen in there? She might be in this little pile. Taking a look, see if they'll let me see her. There's a pile right here. I wonder if she's in there. It's hard to tell though, because they'll hide her from you. But that's okay. I'm gonna put them in. There's a lot of bees now. There's a lot of bees. My finger's stuck. All right. Watch out, girls. Don't get squished. Don't get squished. Don't get squished. Oh, they're gonna get squished. Come on. Get out of there. Okay. And that just leaves one more. They actually built onto the side of the box a little bit. They've only been in here like a day, less than a day. So this is definitely a healthy colony. And there's nothing on this frame, and the reason why is we want them to have room to expand. So that's good. That's exactly what the guy told me to expect. There's a whole bunch of honey on here. Some of it's capped, most of it is not. Again, I don't see a queen, but I'm not worried about it. He said she's in there, so like I said, I'm not worried. Okay, this is the last frame. Let's get it in here.
Did you find the queen?
No, I did not, but that doesn't surprise me. She's in there somewhere. Let's scooch this on over. Make them nice neighbors. Okay. All right. We now have more bees. Yay, bees! And as you can see down there, there's still a lot of bees in the box, and that's okay. I might give them a little bit of a shake, or I might just let them be out. I'll let them find their way into the hive on their own. But I'm worried there's a... Yeah, that's a good idea. My wife says I might want to shake them because there's rain coming. What I'm worried about is in this corner here, they're clustered. I'm afraid that they might have the queen in there. And if she is, will she go into the hive or not? Look at that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, honey, I want you to take a couple steps back, okay? Because when I shake them, they're going to go everywhere. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Wow, there's a lot of bees in the air now. They are pissed. That's okay. As long as they're pissed in their new home, that's what matters. So we're gonna take this and put this back on, hopefully without squishing any bees. Oh, let's get our queen excluder. The reason we have this on is when we have the honey frames up on top, it keeps her from getting up there and laying brood in the honey frames. But we're not worried about that right now, but we might as well just keep it on there for fun, for shits and giggles. So let's put this back on so that they can eat when I put the jar back in. Okay. Everything back together before the rain comes. 'Cause here comes the rain again, falling on my bees like a memory. Oh. Okay, I think I got it on there straight. Maybe not. Do it the other way. There we go. All right, girls. New home, new you, that kind of stuff. And let's put the box. There's still a couple stragglers. So we're gonna set the box right here. I'll set it like that. And now I've got these frames. Take those in. So, okay, that's gonna conclude the putting in the nook, or nuke. I like saying nuke. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this out here so these stragglers can get inside the hive. Hopefully they won't drown in the coming rain. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you around with more honey.